Good morning, children. Today we will learn about our next topic, that is islands, or it is also known as archipelagos. There are few archipelagos in India in both the side of the country, especially it is located in the southern part of India. Lakshadweep is located in southwest part and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in southeast part of the country. This is the picture of Lakshadweep Island. This island is in a form of horseshoe shape. Such corals are called atolls, right? Total there are 17 small and big islands are there in Lakshadweep, and it creates a shape like horseshoe, right? This you have studied in the types of magnets, right? Magnets में होते हैं ना horseshoe type, needle type. So that type of island is this island, that is Lakshadweep. It is a group of small islands, right? Lots of small islands are located around 17 which are habited. And the distance of different islands from Kerala that are mentioned here in this picture, right? These are located in Arabian Sea. Take like an example, Minicoy Island, that is 390 kilometers away from Kerala. Enrot, that is 293 kilometers. Kalpani, that is 287. Kavaratti, that is 404 kilometers. Ajiti, that is 459 kilometers. Bangaram, that is 559 kilometers. Then Cheltat, that is 432 kilometers, and Bitra, that is 483 kilometers. So these are the group of islands which are located in Arabian Sea and that are called Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. This is the picture of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal, right? In map also you can see that are located in Bay of Bengal. These islands are also a chain, and there are 572 islands are there. Out of that 37 are inhabitant, मीन्स 37 आइलैंड है जहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत पॉपुलेशन है, बाकी के आइलैंड्स में कोई रहता नहीं है, वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, राइट. एंड देर आर फ्यू माउंटेन रेंजेस, सम ऑफ विच आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी. यहाँ पे अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड में थोड़े से माउंटेन रेंजेस भी हैं जो वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन की वजह से हुआ है. यहाँ पे एक आइलैंड है बैरन आइलैंड, और बैरन आइलैंड में एक वॉल्केनो है जो थोड़ा उससे दूर है, वो है that volcano is a dormant volcano. डोरमेंट वोल्केनो मतलब कि ऐसा वोल्केनो जो स्लीपिंग मोड में हो, कभी भी एक्टिव हो सकता है, राइट. और कभी भी उसमें से ऐश निकल सकती है, खास करके उसमें से ज़्यादा ऐश निकलती है, ऐसा आइलैंड है. तो दैट डोरमेंट वोल्केनो इज़ लोकेटेड इन दीज आर. This is divided into three parts, that is North Andaman, Middle Andaman, and the downwards which you can see, that is South Andaman, right. 3 divisions are made, and Port Blair, it's the capital. Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island, these are the part of Union territories, right. these are the part of Union territories. Now it's important. What is its importance? First thing that are important for biodiversity. Lots of varieties of species are available here. Second, it is important for the India's naval diplomacy, means for defense. Naval diplomacy, this is the advantage for naval diplomacy, and it is used for defense also, right? And it is 8,250 square kilometer. The total area of these island is 8,250 square kilometer. One island that is dormant, the name of that island, the volcano which is there, that is on the barren land. Okay, its capital is Port Blair. These are located in the southeast part of India in Bay of Bengal. Cleared? Two islands, one in Arabian Sea, that is Lakshadweep. It contains 17 small islands, group of islands. The shape of it is horseshoe. And Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and they are in the straight panels or channels, and it is divided into three parts: North Andaman, Middle Andaman and South Andaman. Capital it's Port Blair, and one volcano near this island, right, that is in barren land. Cleared? Okay. Now in next video we will study about rocks and its types.